Teddy. You.
Are you gonna make us some tea party? You gonna make?
Tea party.
Can I get some coffee, please?
No.
I have some too.
We're waiting. We're waiting.
Well, we're waiting. I'm
Come
going
on.
to get tired of waiting, and I'm going to have to go.
Come on.
You say tea.
Okay.
Hmm?
Go.
Say tea party.
Well, serve me some tea.
Say tea party, Mama.
Tea party.
Tea party.
Okay. Can I get some coffee,
Coffee.
please?
Here.
Coffee.
No.
I want some tea party.
Can you get Mama some coffee?
Here, give me some tea party.
I see. Oh.
Yeah.
Daddy.
See? Now to go get some tea party.
Tea party. Come here.
Tea party.
Come here.
Tea party.
Over here. Sit down. Fix your tea.
Who wants some tea? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You spilled your tea. Max is getting tired of waiting for his, too.
And I want some coffee. Can I have some coffee, please?
Okay. It's the baby coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I have the yellow one.
Okay.
You have the green one.
All right. Thank you.
Here's my cup.
Okay. Thank you.
Was there anything in this?
Oh,
Pour me some tea, please.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
There's a frosting with
Yeah.
cupcakes.
I don't want cupcakes in my coffee, please. Just a little milk.
Here you go. Get
You
some.
got coffee.
Can I get some
drink it now?
coffee?
Can I drink it now?
No, I have some sugar.
All right, can I drink it now?
No, I have mixed up.
What else did you put in it?
It's
You always use your fingers?
sugar,
I hope your
And
fingers-
creamer.
I hope your fingers are clean.
creamer. I don't have creamer.
What was in this?
Probably vinegar.
Lemon.
Lemon. Okay.
And this is sugar.
Okay. Can I have some coffee, please, with lemon and sugar? Can I get some coffee? You didn't pour the coffee in it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay.
I did.
All right, pour your coffee and we'll say cheers.
All right. Now pour your coffee.
Pour your coffee and we'll
Cheers.
say cheers. Uh-huh.
Pour you some coffee.
Here.
Here.
Pour you some coffee here, or tea. Here.
Pour you some coffee and we'll do cheers.
Maddie. Pour you some coffee.
Pour you some coffee, Maddie.
That's yours.
I know, but let's do cheers. Pour yours. I'll show you how to do cheers. Pour your coffee. No, pour yours. We gotta pick up your cup. Pick up your cup. Pick up your cup. Before my neck freezes in this position. All right, now we put our cups up like this and we go cheers. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Now drink it.
Ooh,
Okay,
that was
okay.
good. Thank you, Maddie.
How about food? What do we have again? What are we eating?
I'm not eating because we can't eat because it's hot.
Okay, well, what is it? What are we eating?
Maybe not eating clouds.
Huh?
Eating pizza.
Pizza?
And not pizza. Pizza and the applesauce and there's spaghetti meatballs in there.
You like those spaghetti meatballs, don't you?
And
Oh.
How about broccoli?
no, it's I got apples.
Apples. Okay. Okay. Can I eat it now?
No,
All right.
that's not drink. That's
You
not
better get Max on the drink. He's getting rowdy.
Max wants some.
You can't
He's
find
gonna give you a kiss. Look, he wants to kiss you.
You gonna give Max some?
Kiss Max around the end of his nose.
This is short.
Yeah, I know. But he's drinking it.
Don't eat this. It's gone.
Come on, Max. Get up here. Come on, Max. Up here. Up.
You're
Here, Max. Up. Up.
not going on my shader.
Why not? You're picking your nose. Here.
No, that's my mom makes that shader.
Here, get on a chair. Come on. Up. 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 Come on. Up. Come on. Come on. Up. You crazy dog.
Hi, Maddie. What am I eating?
Lemon.
Here. Can you put it on my plate, please? I'm hungry.
Okay.
Here.
The lemon.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you. What else? I want some more.
Strawberry.
Oh, I want a strawberry, Maddie.
Ooh.
I want want a strawberry.
You better